Hello and welcome to our first episode of our mathematics series. And in this series, what I'm going to basically do is we are going to take each topic from the mathematics syllabus. I think for SS1, SS2 and SS3, those important topics that are going to make you stand well in your exams. So for each topic, we are going to have at least 10 minutes and treat the topic, then the basics of the topic, then solve examples and take some wire questions and also solve them, each having at least 10 minutes till we finish a topic. Then we move to the next. So we are going to deal with topics like number bases, algebra, trigonometry, sets, all those ones. But we are going to start from the basics as recommended by the WAEC syllabus. So before I even go further, I'd like to say what I'm expecting from you as a student is try as much as possible that you make sure whatever we treat here, you try and revise them first of all, then take other questions and solve on your own. That's the only way you can get better at things like this, especially mathematics, which sounds or looks tricky sometimes. So after you've solved on your own, then you can I'm going to see how we are going to create a platform for assessing what you've done. So you can just send it up on a particular platform, either a website or a blog or maybe WhatsApp, so that you will see what or how far you've gone so far. So we'll either set questions or you take some questions on your own and then post them to see whether you are correct or not. If you are correct, then that's nice. But if they look somehow wrong, we are going to deal with them together. So our first topic is going to be about the number basis. And what number basis is basically talking about is the ranges of numbers. We can choose to use any base actually, but then we as humans, we have adapted the decimal system. Decimal system, which means we count in tens. So we use numbers to count our age, our height, our weight, quantity of things. So usually we've just adapted to this decimal system. So, and the range of decimal system is from 0 to 9. So this decimal is just base 10. So 0 to 9. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 till we reach 9. We don't reach the 10. So also when we have binary numbers, we also have what we call binary numbers, and this one, binary means 2. So the range of this number is from 0 to 1. So instead of, because binary means 2, base 2, we call it base 2. So since it's base 2, we stop at 1. So we have only 0 and 1. Then we have octal also. We have octal bases. So what do we do about this octal? Octal means base 8. So since we are talking about base 8, we have range of numbers from 0 to 7. We are not going to write down the 8. When we have hexadecimal, so we have the hexadecimal which is base 16. So base 16 means we are going to start from 0 and stop at 15. So there is always a 1 off. We are going to do, well, there is always the last number is going to be subtracted by 1, so that when we talk about maybe base 7, we are going to stop at 6. When we talk about base 30, it means we are having 0 to 29. So that's what it means. So why are they important? We'll talk about those ones later. But since this is just the introduction, there is also what we are. I'm going to tell you what or where we are headed towards in this number basis. First of all, by the end of this number basis topic, you should be able to convert number bases, like base 10 to another base, convert base 10 to another base, then another base or a different base to base 10. So conversion from base 10 to other bases and vice versa. Then there is also conversion of numbers that are in base 10 to other numbers that are also not in base 10. So that's very important too. So what do we do secondly? Then by the end of this topic also, you should be able to carry out arithmetics. Arithmetics of basis, meaning addition, subtraction, and multiplication. The WAEC syllabus does not recommend doing division, although it's very important also. But since it's going to take our time, first of all, and second of all, the WAEC syllabus has shown that it's not even going to come out in any of the WAEC questions. So we don't need to even talk about those ones. So just sit back and relax while we move towards this topic, and then go from one topic to another. So as I had said earlier, what I need from you is a level of dedication. Whatever we do here, you try to make sure you try as much as possible to revise them first of all, and then practice other questions on your own. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.